Okay, now let's look at another very important concept. Uh, Basically, using constant arguments, right? Constant arguments are arguments which, when passed to a function, uh, is not changed by the function. Okay, so to copy a string into to copy a string into another string using constant arguments. Okay, so let's see. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, hash include string.h. Okay, void main. Okay, now void main. Okay, now we require two strings, so basically two arrays, character arrays. So s of say 20, okay, and d of 20. So you have source and destination. Okay, clear screen, and let's accept. So provide a prompt, enter the string. Okay, scene dot get line s comma 20. Okay, copy copy destination source. So copy to the destination from the source. Okay, and then naturally to display that it has been copied, the copied string is what its destination. Okay, and end line. Okay, so now get ch. Now we have to write the function. So void copy char. This is called pointer to d, right? So pointer is basically a value which specifies the location of a variable. It is not the variable itself, but the address of the location of the variable. Okay, so constant char and address of s, or pointer to s. Okay, now let's, so remember array, so we require loops. So for uh, we don't have a starting point, we have star s not equal to, but we do have a condition. Remember, in a string the last character is nothing but your null character, or backslash 0. Okay, now remember it is a character, so we need to put it as in single quotes rather than in double quotes. Okay, and now s plus plus and d plus plus, right? So when I say s plus plus, remember it's a address to a particular location. So plus plus means depending on the type. Remember, this is a character, so character has a specific size. So if it is a byte, then it will go to the next byte. Okay, so the address will get incremented to the next address. Okay, and then it's just a question of saying pointer to D is equal to pointer to S. Alright, pointer to D is equal to pointer to S. Okay, only single statement. So now what I do is pointer to D is equal to null. So once the loop is over, I have to give this \0 character to specify that the string is complete. Okay, so this is what this is. So let's run this. Function copy should have a prototype. Remember, we didn't provide a prototype, so we will provide a prototype void copy. Remember, anything that we declare above main is a global declaration. So copy char, and it will take a pointer const char and again a star. Okay, now let's run this. Enter the string. Calling function sends the data. I think that's enough. The copied string is calling function set. Now what happened? Remember, we have given this as 20. So naturally, when it is accepting, it doesn't matter how many characters you type, it will accept only the first 20 characters only. Okay, so now just to try out, let's reverse this. Let's say star s is equal to star d and see what happens. Cannot modify a constant object. See, at the compiler level, while it is compiling itself, it is able to distinguish this. So it's not that when once it is running, then it gives a error. At the time of compilation itself, it sees that it is constant, and I'm going to assign something else to this. So while compiling itself, it takes care of that. Okay, so ds. Okay, let's one more. This is pass marks. This is pass marks. Okay, so let's save this. Source and const arg. Okay, and quit.